हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। नए साल की बहुत 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 शुभकामनाएं। लास्ट वीक के लेवल्स में भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा। टाइटन का जो टॉप और जो फाइनल रेजिस्टेंस है वो है 2535 एंड 2533, ऑलमोस्ट द सेम। Tech Mahindra high and the final resistance is 1838 and 1839. Again the same. Kotak resistance 2 is 1799, top formed at 1801. Dabur resistance 2 580, top at 581. IndusInd Bank resistance to 893, top formed at 893 only, dot on it. HDFC Bank high 1485, just 4 points away from final resistance of 1489. HCL Tech high and resistance to it is 1329, 1327. Bharti Airtel resistance to 694, top formed at 694. Hindustan Unilever closed dot on resistance 2. Bajaj Finserv top at 16,500, final target 16,556 from the Sport 2. Sport 2 is what? 15,545, almost 1,000 points from Sport 2 to the final target. Adani Enterprise top formed at 1,760, final target 1,764 from the trend decider of 1,694. ACC formed the top at 2,238, final target 2,233 from the trend decider of 2,125. Dot on it. Ambuja Cement top at 384, resistance to 385. Dabur resistance to 580, top at 581. Axis Bank top at 786, resistance to 787. Asian Paint trend decider 3,284, low formed at 3,273, got chance to buy, and final target 3399. Asian Paint 3399, top formed at 3,405. Super. Today on January 1st, 2022, first of all, wish you a great and successful, healthy, wealthy, happy New Year 2022. On this day, I am deciding to stop presenting weekly trading levels. If I will present, then it will be open to all the viewers. Why? The process of getting support and resistance is based on 3 or 4 inputs, that are Gann static levels, Fibonacci levels, and the previous highs and lows. I work on it manually. It takes many hours to complete a sheet. I know results are near to 80-90%. I am getting love and blessing from many traders. But the question is, if the results are so good, why not continue with the same even if it is time consuming? My answer is, at the same time I will be able to teach you all new trading methods, many new techniques, many new discoveries. I will be able to share with you if I stop presenting these all trading levels. In the last few years, I was able to present a few new concepts: time is price and price is time, the concept of half and double, momentum trading with RSI, discovery of Aurora candle, shadow dates and cost date, forecasting the future chart, and many more. Let's do with many more studies in this new year 2022. Year may stand out for new discoveries and researches. Let's go with the flow and discover the unknown by now. Lots of love, blessings, Happy New Year 2022 to all my students and the loved ones. With the great wishes from the core of my heart, lots of blessings, love,